Can be nice and keep hold of their head and control it. No, come back here. Taking turns with you guys now, so you can fuck off now. And yeah. Trying to hog the spotlight and shit. All right, so I'm gonna start out nice and long. I'm gonna hop in and get onto him, yeah? So we're gonna do a little bit of clinching stuff, a little bit of getting in and out of the clinch. There'll be some striking on the way in, some striking on the way out. But yeah, mainly it's gonna be revolved around getting into the clinch. So I hop in, get on nice and close, got my hips up, then get your feet square. Now I'm ready to go. So yeah, I was taking turns with you guys now, so you can fuck off now. And yeah. Trying to hog the spotlight and shit. Yeah, go to Melbourne for 1 week, get demoted. So I hop in, out, other foot, this foot steps up, and then I step straight back with my other, boom. Yeah? We're gonna add on to it in just a moment. We'll get this bit out the way first. Yeah, tripping over yourself, bro. Have another beer. Hopping in, I grab on, right foot comes up, left foot goes back. Yeah, when I go back, I'm from square, I step 90 degrees. Yeah, I don't lean forward, I don't try and sit on him. I have to go 90 degrees and he has to come to me, yeah? As I do it, it's this. I pull him around to me. Everyone got that? Yes, absolutely. Land, step up, step around and pull him down. I'm gonna hop in, lead hand reaches out, other hand comes up, step up, down, ooh. So I hop in, out, foot, step around. Now I stay upright. And I'm just kneeing down there. Yeah? Make sure you know where you're kneeing. If you're upright, you can see where the belly pad is, so you knee to the belly pad, yeah? If I'm here, I can't see it. And I'm probably gonna knee him in the really small willy. I'm here, boom, 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 boom. Ooh. All right, so next one is starting in the clinch. I don't wanna be in the clinch, maybe I'm not strong here, maybe he's not strong enough that I can just push him off. I don't have any flexibility, so it's not gonna be very realistic from my part, but if I push him off, I then wanna kick up to his head, yeah? You're gonna kick off of your front leg. So as I push him back, boom, kick up, yeah? Just get up your leg up as high as you can. So as I push him off of the clinch, he's just gonna put his hand up at his head. Boom. If I can get it up there, I do. If I can't, I can't. No, I can't. That's my hamstring. But yeah, so I'm in that same position you were just in. Push off, lead leg comes up, yeah? I'll show it as a southpaw as well. So I'm here, push off, boom, kick up, yeah? Everyone got that? Wunderbar. So this is a really good one, guys. Like you see it all the time in fights. People get knocked out with it. They come out of the clinch, rig. One of our boys got knocked out with it. Was that November? Yeah, November. Stepped out of the clinch, boom, head kick. Sleep. It works really well on our guys. Yep. What I would normally teach here is some sweepy stuff, but this year sweeps have been made illegal. So you're not allowed to, you know, like I would do things like pushing their leg across, make them go ass up, but it's no longer allowed to. You've now got to kick the leg out, and to be able to kick the leg out here, you're not going to use the top of your foot, so it's going to be illegal anyway. So they're pretty much outlawing, unless you kick the leg out, you can't sweep them anymore. So same sort of thing, I'm going to push off from the clinch and then just go, oh, take his leg, yeah? So you're kind of booting into the back of the calf there, lower than the calf though, like near the ankle. The lower you go, the more momentum you can get behind your, like the easier it is to push the leg across, I should say. So starting in here, I push off. As he's stumbling back, I take that front leg. Yeah. I'm gonna step up to do like a step up knee. We did this one the other day in class. Step up knee, but I'm actually not gonna knee him. I'm gonna reach out and and be an asshole. But this is also the thing. This is like the little chat I chat with you guys with acting like you don't know what's going to happen. When you actually don't know what's going to happen, that's what happens. So it's kind of like that, having in your head, knowing that you've got to give them the opportunity to hurt you a little bit or make you fall over or whatever it happens to be. So I step up for the knee, boom. Yeah? Can be nice and keep hold of their head and control it. No, come back here. Don't want them to escape. Step up, boom. So really, 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 really important on this one is that you aim shin guard on shin guard. Yeah, because you will smash knees. If you're here, boom, you go for it, you're gonna smash knees and stuff. You need to make sure you're placing your shin guard on their shin guard. If you have to do it at this pace, do it. Yeah? There's no such thing as too slow, practicing it and building into it, yeah?